Hi guys, today we will talk about zinc and its use in autism spectrum. Zinc is a trace mineral and we do see quite often the kiddos with autism spectrum have zinc deficiency. It could be because of they are picky eater and most of the time autism spectrum kiddos have GI problems. So it's quite often that we see zinc deficiency in these kiddos. Zinc is a trace mineral and it helps in the neural development. It improves the hyperactivity. It also improves the immune system and improves the hyperactivity and social behavior also. Sometimes we use zinc with vitamin B6 to improve social behavior and hyperactivity. One thing I always tell to my patients is whenever you are using any trace supplement, mineral supplement like magnesium, zinc, or anything else, make sure what you are trying to achieve. And then you sit down with your physician who knows all these minerals in detail and then make a plan. And there is one misconception that these trace minerals have no side effects. That's not always true. Like I would like to give you the example of zinc. Zinc sometimes when we use in excess, it can cause problem with copper absorption. What I tell to my patients is zinc and copper, they do not like each other. If you are using too much zinc, sometimes it can cause problem with copper absorption, which can cause adverse reaction. Like it can cause GI upset, which is a big issue in these kiddos. It can cause immune suppression, which is another big issue, and sometimes neurological symptoms also. So what I recommend is always sit down with your physician, make a plan, and then discuss which minerals are good for your kid. One more thing is, if one mineral is helping my child, it does not mean the same mineral or the same quantity of that mineral is going to help your child. Because it's an autism spectrum and all children are different and they are unique. So please sit down with your physician who knows and then make a plan. And then you can give the mineral, which mineral is good. As I mentioned earlier, sometimes we give zinc with vitamin B6 to improve hyperactivity, social behavior, and immune system. But always make sure what you are trying to achieve and which mineral is good for your child. Please feel free to ask any question. Thanks. Have a good day.